What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Simply Nisi. How y'all doing out there on this awesome Tuesday? I am here with a reveal for Tech Tuesday. Tech Tuesday. I am so in love with Tech Tuesday. Y'all forgive this hair, honey. It's been a day. I've had laundry today. I've had a lot going on today. So I definitely, want to do this reveal for you guys. I definitely have to, and I'm just gonna take y'all with me. This is gonna be very different. But I definitely want to give you guys a review that doesn't help, I don't think. We'll see here in just a second. I want to give you guys a review on something that I purchased on Amazon. I probably need to turn that light back on because this isn't going to be good. So we're going to go back to the light. Forgive me. Anywho, I have an Apple Watch Series 3, and there are a lot of issues with the watch. There's a review coming up on that very soon. So just hang on tight for me. I definitely have something for you guys as far as that's concerned. But I want to talk to you guys about this package that I received from Papillon Wireless. This is how it comes. I've got my information covered up here, but it's a band for my Apple Watch for my Series 3. And I do have the one with LTE. Again, we'll talk about it later. It was due yesterday, and then this morning, it didn't come yesterday by 8 p.m. I have Amazon Prime, so I was a little upset when it said it could be delivered between today and Saturday, but it showed up today, and I am very excited. I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. The band cost about $9.99. So, wasn't very expensive. When you open it up, of course, there's a lot of bubble wrap, and that is the band right there on the inside. And it comes in this cellophane packaging. Actually, it's a Ziploc bag. But this is the color I have. I got the rose gold and blue is what I got. I'm definitely trying to make sure this. So I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. But here you see it's a zip. You can zip it up. So I like that as far as taking care of it is concerned. Now just getting in here is probably gonna be the problem. Probably gonna have to cut it open or tear it open or something like that. But so far, this is an experience. So, and I just pulled it apart, and it came right open at the very top here. So we're gonna pull this band out, and it slides into the sections of the watch here that meets the face. And I like it. I really like it. It is a little stiff, but hey, it is what it is. And I have the 42 millimeter. So there is the little sliding piece there. And the strap is a little long, but let me go ahead and try it on for you guys really quickly. I got my Apple Watch Friday, so it hasn't quite been a week. And I previously had the Series 1, and I gave the Series 1 to my son. So this was a big jump for me, which it wasn't a big jump at all, but, you know, whatever. And you just slide it in, just like so. I'm just going to do mine the difficult way. And make sure it's on. It looks great with my watch. I'm impressed. And now it's looking more gold than it was rose gold in the beginning. So I don't know what's up with that, but this gives you a little flair. So instead of paying $49 for a watch band, you have the option to pay $9.99 for a band. And I am very pleased. So far, it's comfortable. It's not sticking me. It's not pulling on me or anything like that. So, I like it thus far. Not bad. Not bad. And I got the watch on upside down. That was an accident. So, not bad for $9.99. It feels great. It feels amazing. I can't complain. So this is backwards for me because I put it on backwards. But it feels fine. Feels like a regular watch band. I don't even know that it's really there. I'm struggling because I put it on backwards. Okay, here we go. I'll put the links down to it in the description box to where I got this one. They have a lot of colors. This is not the only color. But that's it. Tell me what you guys think. If you got any questions. Like I said, I got this off Amazon. So I'm very pleased. Until then, it's your girl Simply Niecy signing off. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more on Tech Tuesday, tell me what you'd like to see. I'm an Apple head. My husband's a Droid type of guy. So we got a lot of things going on over here. Just tell me what you like to see on a Tech Tuesday and we'll get it going for you. If you haven't clicked that red subscribe button, I suggest that you do that now so that the bell rings. Click that bell too so you'll know when I have updates coming up. Love you guys. Have a good day.